So this little troublemaker likes to chew on my Xbox when I'm playing. I think it's because of the colors. It's bright. It's more attractive. I give him this to chew on. He doesn't really like it. Want it? No, you'd rather have the Xbox? He also likes to chew on my keyboard when I'm on the computer. Birdie. He loves poking at that thing. And these. These are easy to chew, so I think he likes it. And then make sure he doesn't actually eat it. He just likes to peel it off. Are you a little troublemaker? Yeah. Here, you want this? Nope, he doesn't want this. You little troublemaker. Oh, he also likes to chew on my phone case. He loves chewing on it. Yeah. He's chewing on it right now. You're such a little troublemaker. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.